Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on finding your phone with your Realme Watch 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the side button to wake the watch's screen, then swipe up from the bottom of the screen to open the app menu. Scroll down the menu and tap Find My Phone. Tap the play button to start calling your phone. Your phone will now play a very loud ringtone to help you find it. Press the side button on the watch to stop the sound from playing. If your phone doesn't start to ring, it may be because you don't have the setting enabled. To enable the setting, open up the Realme Link app on your phone. Under My Devices, tap on your watch's name. Select More Functions from the options. Then tap Find My Phone. Turn on the toggle to the right of Find My Phone. The toggle will be blue when Find My Phone is turned on. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Realme Watch tips and tricks.